In the year 2026, the long wait for the PlayStation 6 and the next Xbox is over because Sony and Microsoft have officially canceled them. The physical console under your TV is dead. Developers wanted to run true path tracing, simulating billions of individual light rays in real time to create photorealistic worlds. But packing that kind of computational heat into a plastic box in your living room simply hit a thermal wall. The machines would melt. AMD CEO Dr. Lisa Su put it bluntly, consumer electronics hit the ceiling of Moore's law. Squeezing more transistors onto a small chip couldn't overcome the physical constraints of a home setup. The only way to push graphics forward was to move the computation entirely to massive cloud servers. After 40 years, the home console didn't die because people stopped wanting to play games. It died because the silicon inside simply couldn't defy the laws of physics. But jumping to the cloud wasn't an obvious or easy fix. Back in 2019, Google tried this exact concept with Stadia, and it failed spectacularly. Players rejected it because pressing the jump button resulted in a noticeable, frustrating delay before the character actually jumped. And if the internet connection stuttered even slightly, the entire screen degraded into a blurry, unplayable mess of pixels. How did the gaming industry go from a multi-billion-dollar collapse to complete, flawless cloud dominance in exactly 7 years? Early cloud gaming had a strict opponent, the physical distance data had to travel. Sending a button press 500 miles away to a massive data center and waiting for the video feed to return takes time, creating input lag. To fix this, tech giants deployed edge computing nodes, installing micro data centers right inside individual cities. By processing the game locally, they shorten the distance data travels. As these nodes activate, the global median ping drops to a near-instant 8 milliseconds. For rural areas, massive clusters of low Earth orbit satellites now blanket the sky. These next-generation networks guarantee players stay under a 30-millisecond delay. To cover any remaining gaps, servers now run motion prediction AI. The system actively analyzes your playstyle and begins rendering the next probable frame before your finger even finishes pressing the button. By combining hyperlocal server nodes with software that predicts your inputs, the industry neutralized physical distance as a bottleneck for competitive play. Getting data there quickly solved only half the problem. Stadia relied on standard video compression. That works fine for static YouTube videos, but it completely fails under the chaotic unpredictability of a live game. With old formats, even a 1% drop in data packets instantly shattered the image quality, ruining the experience. The breakthrough arrived with neural video compression. Instead of forcing heavy blocks of pixel colors through an internet pipe, servers send lightweight mathematical motion vectors. An AI chip inside your smart TV instantly hallucinates the missing pixels, dropping the required bandwidth from 150 megabits per second down to 45. Offloading the video decoding onto the user's TV cured the stream of visual tearing and removed the need for massive internet connections. With local consoles dead, the demand for bulk consumer-grade custom silicone cratered almost overnight. At the exact same time, companies manufacturing massive enterprise-grade graphics cards saw their valuations explode as tech giants rushed to equip their data centers. The physical center of the gaming world permanently migrated out of your living room and into multi-billion-dollar server farms. There was a massive financial incentive driving this transition. For decades, companies like Sony and Microsoft sold physical consoles at a loss, hoping to slowly make their money back on individual software sales. This chart highlights why that archaic model was abandoned. Physical retail revenue practically disappears, while recurring monthly fees of cloud subscriptions shoot straight up. Today, a single quarter of this predictable revenue outpaces years of traditional hardware sales, ballooning into a $120 billion market cap. This technological shift provided the infrastructure needed to force the entire market into a permanent, high-margin subscription monopoly. Cloud gaming offers perfect, frictionless access to massive digital worlds, but it exacts a severe toll from the community, the total eradication of digital ownership. When you bought a physical game disc, it was yours to keep, lend, or sell in perpetuity. Now you own absolutely nothing. You are merely renting a temporary access token to a file stored on a server. If a music license in your favorite game expires, the publisher can unilaterally delete the title from the cloud, and it is gone forever. We traded our physical collections and offline security for infinite visual fidelity and an escape from the expensive hardware upgrade cycle. The plastic box under your TV is gone. The cloud has won.